Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Unscrew, then remove access door. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew solid-state drive. Then unscrew and disconnect wireless card. Now disconnect keyboard cable. Now unscrew and remove bracket, then disconnect display cable. Now unscrew and remove dock frame. Now unscrew and disconnect DC jack. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.